What is up, T.O.Gs? Okay, so something new for the channel. We did a video very recently where I used from work the Blue Snowball Ice microphone. I was actually pretty impressed with the performance of the microphone, but I kind of have been thinking about getting a USB microphone. And right now there was a deal at Best Buy for the Blue Yeti microphone, which is kind of like the next, actually it's like 2 steps up. So you have the Blue Snowball Ice microphone, which is kind of like the starter, it's like $50. And then you have the Blue Snowball, just the plain Snowball, which is $70. And then this microphone here is typically 123-ish, between that and 150 depending on the package that you get. So this particular one is 150 because it comes with the PC version download for Fallout 76, which I've heard is not a great game. But at the same time, the mic was $100. You're getting the same microphone for like $25 cheaper because it comes with a terrible game. I don't know. But we're going to do an unboxing really quickly, and then we're going to show you kind of the comparison of the type of audio that you'll get from this microphone as opposed to like the lapel mics that you can get on Amazon for fairly cheap. And then also if you were just using like the microphone on your Mac or your laptop or whatever it might be. So let's just get right into it. Just find the easiest way to open this box, which seems to be here. Of course, with these boxes you always have this shell to open it. Got here. As you're here. So we've got the USB cord, which looks like it's a decent length, which is nice for that to stretch around from your computer or whatever it is, which is what we're going to be using it on, which is the Mac. My code for my game looks like the quick start guide or something, or the manual. And then here's the microphone. So the one, I guess, complaint that a lot of people have about the Blue Yeti is that it's a heavy microphone, and if you wanted to put it on a stand, like on your computer, you kind of have to get the proprietary Blue stand because it's so heavy that it just wants to pull any other stand, aftermarket stand, just pull the whole thing down. So that is the one thing. I'm not going to worry about any of that because we're not going to put this on a mic stand. It's going to end up being in a good position just the way it is. So I also like this. It comes in a variety of different colors, but I like the blackout one, but that's just me. If you've noticed on my channel, most of the motorcycles that I've had have had the same theme of black. So just a quick rundown of this mic. The big difference between this mic and the step down, which is the Blue Snowball, is that this has 4 different settings. The Blue Snowball, I think, only has the 2, which is the cardioid and the omnidirectional. So this one also has stereo, and there's one more that can't quite recall, but we won't go into all that. There's plenty of good videos out there for you to check that out. The other thing that's cool about this mic is that you can plug your headphone right into here, and you can hear what you'll sound like with the audio through the mic. So that is another cool feature. So with that being said, this is pretty simple. What you get is what you see here is the USB cord and the mic itself. And then of course, if you bought this version, which for some reason makes this cheaper than just buying the straight up mic itself, it was $100, you get this code for Fallout 76. Not a big deal here. And again, the manual. So here's what you get. We'll just do a quick overview of the difference between the audio that comes from this microphone, and again, we'll use a couple different examples of audio where you can find out what you will hear. And of course, I mean, you can hear the difference too between just having the microphone here on the GoPro as opposed to the other 3 that we'll use for the video. Okay, let's get right to the audio. The first one here that I'm using is just the microphone from my iPhone. You know, it's pretty simple, but the quality is decent, especially if your most important priority is not the actual like audio quality and is just making sure that you are heard and that everything's clear without too much distortion or background noise and stuff like that. So this is just the microphone here on my iPhone. So again, just using the iPhone here for my audio, but instead of using the mic from my actual iPhone, this is using a mic that I purchased on Amazon called the T.O.G microphone. It's just like a lapel microphone. You can use one of these in your helmet if you're a motovlogger, and it's a lapel mic, so you can use it just for basic stuff. They come with these little filters that you can put over the top. This is iPhone audio using the T.O.G lapel mic. All right, and the third example here that I'm using, and this is fine for a lot of people who might be doing live streams from YouTube for their podcasts and for other reasons. This is just the microphone on my Mac. This audio quality, I mean, obviously it's kind of tinny, but it's still clear, and because it captures a lot of the noise in the room as well, it's not going to be the greatest audio quality. But again, it just depends on what you're using it for. This might be good enough for you. Again, this is just the mic from my Mac captured here using the QuickTime application. And finally, we have audio here from the Blue Yeti microphone that we just unboxed. Of course, this audio is going to sound superior to the first three that you heard, both in quality and in clarity. Also, this microphone has 3 other settings, so if I wanted to use this for other reasons besides just recording my voice, we can do a variety of other things, and we can test that out in later videos. But guys, that's all I've got for you today. If you have questions about the Blue Yeti microphone, leave it in the comments. I'll be sure to answer those questions for you if I can, and if not, I will point you in the right direction. Also, if you found this video helpful or you enjoyed listening or watching this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. Also, if you are interested in watching my other content, which is typically motorcycle related, make sure you hit that subscribe button and come back and see me. Guys, for all you riders out there, ride safe. For everybody else, this is that one guy. I am out.